Quick thought experiment. Imagine your mind as a messy room. Some people need a simple cleanup, some need a full renovation, and some, well, let's just say they need Marie Kondo and a construction crew. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're exploring psychological therapies, the different approaches psychologists use to help people heal, grow, and find clarity. 1. Psychoanalysis, the classic couch. Let's start with the old school one, psychoanalysis, founded by Sigmund Freud. Picture this, lying on a couch, talking about your childhood, and discovering how your unconscious mind shapes your behavior. It's less about quick fixes and more about digging deep into your past, uncovering hidden conflicts and making sense of them. CBT, the thought mechanic. Now, fast forward to something modern and practical, cognitive behavioral therapy. CBT works like a thought mechanic. If your mind is running on unhelpful thoughts like, I'll fail this test no matter what, CBT teaches you to challenge that belief and replace it with something more realistic, like, I've studied hard, and I can give this my best shot. It's structured, short-term, and one of the most researched therapies today. 3. Mindfulness, being here and now. Then there's mindfulness-based therapy, which is all about being present. Instead of getting lost in past regrets or future worries, mindfulness teaches you to notice your thoughts without judgment. It's like learning to watch clouds pass by in the sky instead of chasing every single one. 4. Modern approaches. Therapy has also expanded into many new forms: art therapy, music therapy, group therapy, even online therapy apps. The key idea is the same: helping people understand themselves and build healthier ways of living. Why it matters. Psychological therapies aren't just for people in crisis. They can help anyone improve emotional health, build resilience, and lead a more balanced life. Just like going to the gym isn't only for bodybuilders, therapy isn't only for people with disorders. So here's the takeaway. Therapy is like giving your mind the care it deserves. Whether it's digging deep with psychoanalysis, reprogramming thoughts with CBT, or finding calm through mindfulness, psychology has a toolkit for everyone. In our next episode, we'll jump into social psychology, exploring group behavior, conformity, and influence. Basically, why people do things in groups that they'd never do alone, like shouting at a football match or dancing on TikTok. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep learning together.